everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to share with you how you can grow wheatgrass at home, how you can harvest your wheatgrass. I will also share with you what are the benefits of consuming wheatgrass juice and what are the conditions under which you can avoid drinking wheatgrass juice. So let's get started. Before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please press the subscribe button with the bell icon so that you can have the notification of my new video. All the information in this channel is based on my experiences, so if you have any medical concerns, please make sure to consult your doctor before consuming this juice. Growing wheatgrass at home is very easy. You just need to soak wheat in the water a night before so that next morning you can transfer it into the soil. Here I have soaked wheat. It's around 1 cup of wheat in the container with water, and you just leave it overnight, and then we will check this wheat in the morning. So what we will do right now, so we will take this from water, drain the water, and then we will start preparing to move this into the soil. Here I have took out all the water from the wheat. I drained wheat and let it rest for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then we will transfer this into the soil. Okay, here I just want to mention one thing: soaking is not required. So if you just want to put wheat directly into the soil, you can do that. The only difference will be that it will take more time versus if you soak the wheat first into the water and then transfer it to the soil. Okay, first take any plastic container. You can take any other container, but this is I have extra at my house, so I'm using this one. And then the next thing is you put soil first and then transfer your wheat into the soil. Okay, so here I am adding wheat into the soil. You don't have to be very specific. You can just throw the wheat into the soil. That's it. I'm using organic soil from Walmart. So if you are in US and the Walmart is available near you, you can use organic soil, or you can use any soil if you want. So after putting wheat into the soil, you just need to press a little bit and then put one more layer of soil on top of that. And you will have to make sure that you are covering wheat with soil each and every corner. As you can see, I'm pressing a little bit and then adding more soil wherever I see I have a wheat. So after that, you just need to put a little bit water. When you add water into this soil, you just have to make sure that you just sprinkle the water and do not fill the container with the water, because wheatgrass plants do not require a lot of water. So after you make your containers ready for the sprouting purposes, so what will you do now? You need to take a plastic bag and then cover this container with a plastic bag, leaving a little area for the air. The second important thing is that you make sure to keep this container close to the window where there is a sun coming in through the window. As you can see in this video, this is the same way I sprout my other seeds. Here I am doing my cilantro, my basil, curry leaves and other seeds. And after 10 days, you will see your wheatgrasses has started growing, and it grows like, at least ½ inch to 1 inch. After your grass has grown this much of height, then you can do is you can take off the plastic bag and then let it grow like this, and then you can harvest whenever you want. The reason I started drinking wheatgrass juice and start growing wheatgrass at home, because it has amazing benefits. It contains almost around 95 nutrients. It's very high in calcium, it's rich in magnesium, iron, it's high in vitamin A, E and C. And this is a very good source of protein. It has been studied that wheatgrass juice helps curing the cancer, except the blood cancer. I haven't read any article that mentioned that wheatgrass juice can cure blood cancer, but other than that, I have read wheatgrass juice also been given to the breast cancer patients. One of my relatives, she also got a breast cancer, and then she started using wheatgrass juice, And yeah, she is now cancer free. She has been doing this wheatgrass juice even after her treatment and even right now in her life, because this gives an amazing results to her. This is not only can be used for the treatment, also you can also prevent cancer if you drink wheatgrass and include this good habit into your life. The another important thing is that how many times that you can harvest wheatgrass from the same plant. So the answer is 3. After that, you can do a fresh wheat and then make a new plant and then start using that new plant. So what is the tasir of wheatgrass? The tasir of wheatgrass is a coolant, and for those who do not know, tasir is an Ayurvedic principle that are used to explain whether the effect on the body of this plant is cool or it is like will produce a heat in our body. So the tasir is cool for wheatgrass juice. And what is the best season to consume wheatgrass juice? The best season to consume wheatgrass juice is summers, because the tasir of this plant is cool. So if you drink this juice in summers, it's keep your body cool. So start consuming from like April to October. And what is the best time of the day to consume wheatgrass? You should consume wheatgrass early in the morning before breakfast, empty stomach. Why the morning time is best for the wheatgrass juice? Because your body can easily digest it during the day, and it will be very hard for your body to digest it at night. And another 2 important questions that I want to mention that will come into your mind, that suppose you forget to drink wheatgrass juice empty stomach and you ate your breakfast. Actually, then you can do that. You can take this wheatgrass juice after lunch, 2 hours after your lunch. And if you are thinking after having wheatgrass juice, after how much time can you eat your breakfast? So the answer is 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you can have your breakfast. Wheatgrass juice has amazing benefits, and so you can use this as a face pack for your skin repair. You can also apply this if you have any vaginal infections. You can use this as a drink, or you can also consume it in a powder form that you can buy from a store. Most important thing is wheatgrass is anti-aging, it's gluten-free, it's antibacterial, and it's a very good immunity booster. So under what conditions you should not drink wheatgrass juice, or if you are drinking, you have to stop using it. So if you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding, if you have sinus and cold, or if you have any kidney issues. So these are the only 4 things that you can avoid drinking wheatgrass juice, or you need to consult with your doctor if you have any other medical condition. So the only side effect after drinking wheatgrass juice is that you will have a frequent bowel movements after consuming it. In this case, you can reduce the quantity and then you can test what suits your body. It's time to harvest wheatgrass. As you can see, my wheatgrass has grown pretty much very good. This is my son. He was coming into the video, so excuse him for a while. So oh my god, he's coming again. Yeah, so here I'm going to cut this wheatgrass, and of course he's gonna help me through this process. You want to make sure that you do not cut the white part. So where the white part ends for this wheatgrass, you should start cutting from that. As you can see, I'm cutting this wheatgrass. This whole wheatgrass will be enough for like 4 people with 2 cups of water. So this will be enough. As you can see, my wheatgrass is ready for juicing purposes. Now we have to start preparing our wheatgrass juice. After I harvest my wheatgrass, I'm going to wash it first. So here I have already washed my wheatgrass. Now we are going to start preparing for the wheatgrass juice. Now to make wheatgrass juice, I'm going to take my blender and then add all the wheatgrass into the blender with 2 cups of water. Water we only need so that it will be easy for us to do it in the blender. I'm going to add 2 cups of water for this juice. After adding the water, that's it. You do not have to add anything else. You just close the lid and then blend it for 1 or 2 minutes. After you blend it for 1 or 2 minutes, we are going to strain this juice with a strainer. The reason we strain it because the fiber in the wheatgrass is not meant to be digested by our human body. Our human body will not be able to digest it as easily as the animal body. So we are not going to use this in our juice. We are going to just strain it into the glass. So after you are done, with the help of a spoon, just press a little bit so that you can have all the wheatgrass juice into your glass. Actually, if you don't want to throw this fiber, you can also make a good use of it. What I do, I usually apply this for my dark circles and then leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes and then wash my face after that. So our wheatgrass juice is ready to drink in the morning. If you are not adding any water, then the minimum quantity that you can consume is like 2 teaspoons and the maximum is like 8 teaspoons. You can also give this wheatgrass juice to all the kids who are above 2 years of age, but you just need to start giving them 1 teaspoon to try if it suits their body. And you want to start by giving like few drops, couple of days, and then add one more drop, but not more than 1 teaspoon. If you have any concerns if you should give wheatgrass juice to your kid, then make sure that you consult your doctor before start giving it to them. Usually wheatgrass juice is not recommended if you have any sinus and cold. In that case, I add warm water instead of cold waters, and this works really well for me. Or the another way is to add ginger or basil leaves into your wheatgrass juice. The reason is because the ginger and the basil leaf tasir is warm and the wheatgrass tasir is already coolant. So if you have sinus and cold, you might have little problems with drinking wheatgrass juice. For me, what I do, I just add the warm water, I add little ginger and 2-3 basil leaves, and this works very well for me. So maybe it will work for you. Try it. It depends. It may or may not suit your body, and make sure to consult your doctor if you are having any issues after drinking wheatgrass juice. So thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please hit a subscribe button, like button, and let me know in comment section if you are growing wheatgrass juice or if this information was helpful for you. Thank you and see you in next video. Bye.